Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing y'all how to restore ATV plastics. So mine's really sunburnt. Now, you have faded, you have like really sunburnt where you have to scrape off the layer. Now, most of y'all probably have faded, not as bad as mine because mine was sitting in the middle of nowhere for years and years. So, for faded plastics, you just put some of this tire shine on and I'll show you the best way to do it, but you basically just put it on and you rub it off. There are other ways to do it, but you gotta use this too, so you rub it in with steel wool. Make sure it's not real coarse, but this is some coarse stuff. Probably not gonna use it because you can damage your plastics by using coarse stuff. So I'm just gonna use this and tire shine right there. Let's get to it. Okay, so this is the sun damage. It should look like this. You can see it, it's like a gray. Now this is white, this is the sunburnt stuff. So, what you wanna do is you wanna get your tire shine and you wanna put it on like that. And I like to use microfiber cloths because they don't leave like the little papery stuff that paper towels leave, like the little pencils. So you just gotta put it all on there like that. And then you get your steel wool, put a little bit more on that. And you gotta be real careful because you don't want to dig down too deep with this. You want to just start like right here. So I'm just gonna show you the difference. So you gotta rub. And look, you can see it coming off. That's the bad plastic coming off. And if you look right there, it's a little bit darker. So you just keep on doing that cloth just like this. And it'll probably get all the faded off, but this is like sunburnt. Like you need to scrape off the layer to get to the good stuff. Nice. Jeez. Oh man, was it better? Oh, it's not working. Look at that. It's not better. Okay, you can right now. That doesn't work. Get this. So I got all this done. It took a lot, but it looks a lot better. I named this from the day I got it. I named it Sunbaked Suzuki. So I just thought it would be kind of cool if I had the sunbakedness spelling Sunbaked Suzuki. The next day, I had to do some work at my papa's house, so that's why I couldn't get it done. I had to put the rack back on, so doing this all over again. Doesn't need that much. A little bit. Okay, so here it is. Yes, I know I need some new headlights. In that big of a rush to get that fixed, but had to take off the rack because it was blocking all this, and you can see the difference here. How that's focus going. That's nice, and how that's kind of grayed. So we're gonna get that all that nice and fixed. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, I was just using the pressure washer and I got all the sun baked off of it. It looks awesome. Now I kept the sun baked Suzuki, but you can tell how it was by how the sun baked Suzuki turned out, because I kept the sun baked on the sun baked. Yes. So I got both sides done. And it looks awesome. All I need to do is put on the racks and we'll be good.